The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said diversity is a natural way of life for India. Mr. Modi said India is the home to all faiths in the world and it celebrates all of them. He said today the world wants to know more and more about India. The Prime Minister said this while addressing the joint session of US Congress in Washington, D.C. In an hour-long speech, the Prime Minister touched upon several important issues of concern. He said democracy is the culture that gives wings to thought and expression. The Prime Minister said India and the US shall demonstrate that democracies matter and democracies deliver, adding that they together will give a better future to the world and a better world to the future. The Prime Minister said this is not an era of war, but it is one of dialogue and diplomacy. He said we all must do what we can stop the bloodshed and human suffering.
Many advances in AI, artificial intelligence. At the same time, there have been even more momentous development in another AI, America and India.
The state